Hello dear students, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you must be taking good care of yourself in the second wave of the pandemic. Okay, so we will start with Geography Contemporary India 1, Chapter 1, India's Size and Location. We have already done with session 1 with the explanation. I hope you have understood the chapter very well. So as said in the session 2, let's get started with question and answers, which you have to write down in your notebook also. So first question is, choose the right answer from the four alternatives given below. This is a kind of MCQ. Okay. So the first question is, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Tripura. The answer is Odisha. The easternmost latitude of India is 25 degree, 97 degree, 25 degree east, 68 degree 7 east, 77 degree 6 east, 82 degree 37 east. The answer is 97 degree 25 east. Third, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with, options are China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar. The answer is Nepal. Fourth, if you intend to visit Kavarati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Options are Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, Daman and Diu. Answer is Lakshadweep. Fifth question is, my friend hails from a country which does not share land boundaries with India. Identify the country. Options are Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. Answer is Tajikistan. Second question, answer the following questions briefly. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Answer is Lakshadweep. Name the countries which are longer than India. I'll repeat. Name the countries which are larger than India. Answer is Australia, Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil. Third, which island group of India lies to its southeast? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Answer is Sri Lanka, Maldives. Third question. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Answer. This is because from Gujarat to Andhra Pradesh there is a long lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82 degree 30 east, say passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and time as one moves from south to north. Fourth, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered as great significance. Why? The answer is, the Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. India is a southernward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean. Thus, helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and the southern East and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed, it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. This is where we have finished our question and answer session 2. Again, I advise you all to write down the question answers in your notebook for your reference during the exam and to recite. So, thank you and see you in another session with some another chapter. Have a great time. Take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.